Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, November 24, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 25, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the games played today in the NBA. Jazz buried Knicks 121-106. Lauri Markkanen has 34 points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists. Colin Sexton has 25 points, 5 rebounds, and John Collins contributed 20 points and 13 rebound double-double. Jalen Brunson led New York with 23 points, 2 rebounds, and 8 assists. OG Anunoby has 27 points, 3 rebounds, and 3 assists. And Karl Anthony Towns added 16 points, 16 rebounds, double-double, and 5 assists. Orlando Magic beat Pistons 111-100. Franz Wagner led the Magic with 30 points, 9 rebounds, and 8 assists. And Moritz Wagner added 18 points, 7 rebounds, and 5 assists. Jaden Ivey has 19 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, and Malik Beasley contributed 18 points, 4 assists for Detroit, who lost their 3 straight games. Scottie Pippen Jr. scores 30 points in 142-131 Grizzlies win over Bulls. Scottie Pippen Jr. led Memphis with 30 points, 2 rebounds, and 10 assists. Jalen Wells has 26 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, and Jaren Jackson Jr. chipped in 23 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists. For the Bulls, Nikola Vucevic has 26 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Zach LaVine has 29 points and 3 rebounds. Portland Trail Blazers bounced back with a 104-98 win over Rockets to end their 2-game losing skid. Alperny Simons has 25 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Shadon Sharp added 24 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 steals. Alperen Sengun has 22 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists for the Rockets as they snap their 2-game winning streak. LaMelo Ball's career high not enough as Bucks pass Hornets 125-119. Giannis Antetokounmpo chipped in 32 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists, and Damian Lillard has 31 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists. Milwaukee completed a 4-0 homestand and has won 6 of its last 7. LaMelo Ball scores a career-high 50 points, grabbed 5 rebounds, and dished 10 assists, and Brandon Miller has 32 points, 11 rebounds, and 3 assists. Spurs rally past Warriors 104-94. San Antonio outscored Golden State 33-13 in the fourth quarter. Victor Wembanyama has 25 points, 7 rebounds, and 9 assists for the San Antonio Spurs, and Harrison Barnes added 22 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists. Andrew Wiggins led Warriors with 20 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Stephen Curry has 14 points, 7 rebounds, and 5 assists. Nikola Jokic led Nuggets in a lopsided win against Lakers 127-102. Nikola Jokic chipped in 34 points, 13 rebounds, and 8 assists, nearly triple-double, and Michael Porter Jr. has 24 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 assists. LeBron James led the Lakers with 18 points, 6 rebounds, and 7 assists, and Austin Reeves has 19 points, 3 rebounds, and 6 assists. Lakers lost back-to-back games. And here is the current team standings for the Eastern Conference. Number 1 is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 16-1 record. Boston Celtics is at number 2 with 13-3 record and on their 4-game winning streak. Number 3 is the Orlando Magic with 11-7 record and on their 2-game winning streak. New York Knicks slide at number 4 with 9-7 record, and Milwaukee Bucks climb to number 5 spot with 8-9 record and on their 4-game winning streak. Miami Heat is at number 6 with 6-7 record. Atlanta Hawks is at number 7, 7-10 record, 2-game losing streak. Chicago Bulls is at number 8 with 7-11 record. Number 9 is the Detroit Pistons with 7-11 record and on their 3-game losing streak. And number 10 is the Brooklyn Nets with 6-10 record. Number 11 is the Charlotte Hornets, 6-10 record. Indiana Pacers slide to number 12 with 6-10 record and on their 3-game losing skid. 13 is the Toronto Raptors, 4-12 record, 2-game winning streak. 14 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 3-12 record. And the number 15 team is the Washington Wizards, 2-12 record, 10-game losing skid. And here is the team standings for the Western Conference. Number 1 is the Golden State Warriors, 12-4 record. Number 2, Oklahoma City Thunder, 12-4 record. Houston Rockets is at number 3, 12-6 record. Lakers is at number 4, 10-6 record, 2-game losing skid. Denver Nuggets climb to number 5 with 9-6 record. Clippers is at number 6, 10-7 record, 4-game winning streak. Memphis climbed to number 7, 10-7 record, 2-game winning streak. Phoenix Suns slide to number 8 with 9-7 record. They have 5-game losing skid. Dallas Mavericks is at number 9, 9-7 record, 4-game winning streak. And number 10, Minnesota Timberwolves with 8-7 record. Number 11 team is the San Antonio Spurs, 9-8 record, 3-game winning streak. 12, Sacramento Kings, 8-8 record, 2-game losing skid. 13, Portland Trail Blazers, 7-10 record. 14, Utah Jazz, 4-12 record. And the number 15 team is the New Orleans Pelicans, 4-13 record, 4-game losing skid. And here are the games to be played tomorrow, November 25, 2024. The Minnesota Timberwolves will try to be back in the win column as they visit the number 2 team in the East, the Boston Celtics, led by Jason Tatum at 4:30 a.m. The struggling Wizards, led by Jordan Poole, who just lost 10 straight games, will play Indiana Pacers, led by Pascal Siakam, in Gainbridge Fieldhouse at 6 a.m. Dallas' 4-game winning streak is at stake when Kyrie Irving in the Dallas Mavericks play Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat in Kaseya Center at 7 a.m. James Harden will bring their 4-game winning streak momentum in Wells Fargo Arena as they visit Tyrese Maxey and the struggling 76ers at 7 a.m. RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors will try to extend their 2-game winning streak against the very hot team of Donovan Mitchell in the Cavaliers in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8:30 a.m. Cam Thomas and the Brooklyn Nets will try to build momentum as they visit struggling Kings, led by Domantas Sabonis in Golden One Center at 10 a.m. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to make this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.